What fruit? Any. Always citrus. Oranges, lemon, and then strawberries, peaches, grapes, berries. It's up to you. So you can do your own sangria. Red wine, sugar, fruit, some bubbles like orange Fanta, lemon Fanta. We like orange Fanta because it's bubbles and some flavor. Half wine, half Fanta. Of course. Alcohol. We always add some spirit. Could be vermouth, rum, or whiskey, or vodka, or gin. See, it's pretty style. Whatever you like better. Here at my fest paella, we are very fond of vermouth and rum. But in United Kingdom, you like gin. You use gin. How much? In Spanish, we say un chorro. In English, you say a splash. So it's pretty up to you. Long, short. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A splash. So it could be pretty soft. It could be pretty strong. And then a gentle stirring.